What's up, everybody? It is Chris with Longevity, and welcome to the channel. We want to go ahead and give a big thanks and a shout out to our sponsor, DNC Properties Construction LLC, for allowing this to happen today here in the shop. So on today's episode, I did tell you on the unboxing a couple days ago of our Milwaukee M12 Fuel Gen 2 Impact and Hammer Drill. I wanted to go ahead and give a sneak peek because we've got a great TTT Tool Test Tuesday coming up of the Dewalt 12V Xtreme versus the Milwaukee Fuel Gen 2 brushless impact hammer drill. We do not have the hammer drill yet. I just ordered it last night, so if it's here before Tuesday, we're going to go ahead and sneak this bad boy out of here. We're going to add the hammer drill for our TTT, our Tool Test Tuesday coming up, okay? But today I got a special unboxing. I was in Home Depot today, and I was trying to look, because I'm very accessory oriented, kind of like Vince over there from VCG Construction. Now, I like things that go together, right? I got Makita bits from Makita tools. I got Ryobi bits for my Ryobi tools. I've got Dewalt bits for my Dewalt tools. And I had to get some bits for the Milwaukees. Okay? So, what I did was I was shopping around. I was looking for a great deal, looking for a good deal, trying to find something that was for a good price for the value. So as I'm walking around the Home Depot, the Milwaukee rep is actually in my local Home Depot store. And she's telling me, hey, these are some great bits. We've got a couple single packs for $19.99 that have come with a variety of different types of this and that. And you get a little mix in this, a little mix in that, you know, a little yada this, yada that, ha. They range from $19.99 all the way up to $34.99 and higher. So let's be real. Or I could just pick up another set of Ryobis for $7.99, $8.99 on sale. But we saw in my last video, they don't hold up. I smashed a Ryobi magnetic bit holder. I mean, literally demolished it, doing some timber locks. So I don't really think she knew the store. She might have been new. Nothing against her. But I was walking by. I said, what was, I saw $29.99, which is a great price for something of this size. So the $29.99 caught my eye, and I said, wow, $200 value. It's a 145-piece set. It's got everything I need. It's got my magnetic holder. It's got a couple, see, we've got some number two, we got some drill bits down here, we got some hex bits, and it just basically had a variety of everything. And then as I'm picking this up, I said, you know what, for $29.99 for a 145-piece set, I said, I'll take it. And then as I'm walking by, I see the same thing, but I thought maybe it was different. It said $24.99. It said 145-piece set, $200 value. I said, what am I missing here? That one's $5 more, but it looks like it's the exact same thing. And sure enough, it was the exact same thing. Depot just dropped the price, an additional $5 for the holidays right before Christmas, because we all know Christmas is only how many days away? 5 days away. So they're trying to push them deals, baby. Push them hard, Depot, just like the Ryobis. $99. You guys saw already, I just picked this up the other day, another combo kit. I'm going to have to take all my Ryobi combo kits back because, hell, I bought 3 of them, right? You buy the combo kit for $99 now, you get a free bare tool. So I got the shop vac, I got a free 9-amp hour battery, but I'm going to take these back, and the other one was, I think I got the free impact. I'm going to take this back, because it's $129.99 plus tax. I got to, right?
Yeah, how you doing?
Is that John?
Yeah.
What's up, John boy? What you doing? Shit. Hey, sorry about that, guys. One of my kid crow I live in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Florida. One of my buddies, my next door neighbor, he works for Cape Coral Police Department, and he was pulling down the street and he waved me out to come talk to him, say what's up. He's working out here today. But anyways, back to where we were, where I left off, is what I was saying about this kit is I wanted to take this back, the 3 combo kits I got, because I could get another one absolutely free and get another free Ryobi Bear tool, like a 7¼ circular saw, which I truly want to need, and maybe a new Ryobi brushless reciprocating saw. I don't know, but for $99, hell of a deal, guys. Just thought I'd throw that out there for you. But anyways, back to where we were about this this kit. I was really excited to get this, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pop this open. You're always going to get with Milwaukee, even from what I've already experienced, just jumping into the Milwaukee lineup, is their stuff is just, the quality is definitely second to none. I have to say, I love the way their stuff feels. I love the way their tools feel. And I feel the same way with Dewalt. I feel the same way with Makita. Hell, I feel the same way with Ryobi. I'm definitely just not a very biased guy. I actually was watching TTR over at BCG Construction today, and they were doing a review on the Ryobi P23. Is it the P238? It's either the P23 or P239. I think it's the P238 brushless impact driver against Hart's new brushed impact driver, and obviously the Ryobi. I mean, it wasn't even a fair battle. We all know the Ryobi P238 actually has some decent power. So, anyways, this is their optimized shock zone. I'm pretty sure there's their shockwave bits. So these are obviously these turn up. Really cool. The bits they feel good. They're nice quality, and so that closes like that, nice and easy. Yeah, the only thing I wish it did, like my Dewalt ones, is I wish these locked in together and connected. You know what I mean? That's the only. They look like they would fit. They fit with each other, but I think that might just be stacking purposes only. But we're gonna go ahead and. This is a nice magnetic tray here. It feels really good. Let's see here. A little drywall screw in it. Wow. I think that's a number 2, and that just fits. I mean, dude, it doesn't get any better than that. I mean, the quality, how it fits. I mean, dude. You can. I'm a very firm believer, just like Vince from BCG. You can tell a lot by companies' drill bits, by how it feels, how it fits in its screw. And a number 2 screw is something you're going to use all the time. You know what I mean? So if you can't get that right, no, you can't get nothing right. So we're going to go ahead and excited to get this new very nice. I mean, it's perfect. With that being said, you know, these Milwaukee bits, these are, I mean, the quality feels great. I do like here too, it looks like you can add other ones, you can customize these cases to your liking. Milwaukee does sell smaller bit sets you can buy in these small things, and you can actually add to, most of these have some extra you can add, and you can continue to build on, so you can keep building your Milwaukee, your bits, man. So, hell, why the hell not? We're going to go ahead and take this Ryobi bit out of here. And, I mean, dude, this thing's like butter. Like butter. So, and these also are, you can put these directly right into the, very nice bits. Very nice. So anyway, so with these nice shockwave bits, they do fit really nice here into the Impact, which is very nice. The M12 Milwaukee Fuel Gen 2 Impact does have a quick release collet here. So, and I don't think that this has the same, see look at the one thing that's stopping me from buying, okay, so when I went to Home Depot to pick this up, my wife did, when she called me, she said, hey hon, I'm gonna go ahead and get you a Christmas present, what do you want? And she knows I've been wanting this to jump into the Milwaukee lineup. And I thought maybe I might want to get the M18 series, but then I thought, you know, lately I've been doing a lot of, you know, service calls and a lot of lighter applications and nothing really crazy in of that nature. And I said, you know what, hon? I want the M18, but the Gen 3 Impact has that collet problem where the bits are falling out when you're pulling up, okay? And to me, you guys might not think that, but to me, like Vincent, that's a problem. You know, I'm doing a lot of work on a high ladder up in, you know, what if I'm using a bigger bit and that thing falls right out and clunks somebody in the head? That's a lawsuit I don't want to have in my hands, you know what I mean? Hell. So that's just something that was a deal, I don't want to say a deal breaker, but I think I might wait until I hear that Milwaukee fixes that issue with the Gen 3. I'm going to have to wait until I jump into the M18 lineup. For the time being, though, it is totally okay for me to jump into the Milwaukee M12 lineup. It's totally appropriate. It makes sense. And let's be just realistic, guys. This is one powerful set of tools right here. You know, let me see something real quick. We're gonna test. Let's see what we got here. So we got a T30 here. A T30 that'll fit here. Who thinks that the Milwaukee Gen 2 drill can drive this fastener? Try to speed one. It sure can. That's a lot of fucking torque. For a drill to be able to drive a fastener of that size. I mean, that's a big task. Okay? For a 12-volt drill. And as soon as I put it in speed one, I mean, it did it with ease. Can the impact do it? Again, this is the 2 amp hour battery. Oh, huh? Wow, that's impressive. That gets your socks. That gets your feet, your socks shaking in your shoes. That was pretty damn impressive, if you have to ask me. Let me see if I got another. I think I've got another set of timber locks over here that are, I think, 7 or 8 inches. Unfortunately, I don't know where those fasteners are, but I do know looks like Milwaukee gave me a see, you know, this one doesn't come with a lot of these quarter, I think they're called, this is a 5/16 bit. But this is a screw that, you know, most you're going to use on a daily basis, right? No problem. Like butter, right? Holy freaking cow! That don't get you. If that don't get you excited, I don't know what the hell will. But for shits and giggles, let's give you a sneak peek of TTT Tool Test Tuesday. We're going to do something real fast. We're going to do the Dewalt Xtreme versus the Milwaukee M12 Fuel, and we're going to go ahead and do a timber lock. I think it's a lag. We're going to go ahead and do that real fast. And if this is what I was trying to tell you guys, I like Dewalt's tough system I have not looked into Milwaukee Packout, but I love DeWalt's bit tough system because the way that they're designed and that they can all connect to each other. I think that's a very nice feature to have, and that's important to me. So 5/16, here we go. All right. So got my DeWalt's. So nice. Milwaukee's, they sit on each other, but they don't lock in. Not like fancy smancy DeWalt here. Okay. DeWalt's a little bit more fancier when it comes to that there. Okay. So we've got Milwaukee M12 versus Dewalt 12V Xtreme. And guys, this is going to be this here. Okay, this here is definitely like, this is already way more than what you would ever ask for from this tool to do. All right, but here at the at DNC Properties, we like to go ahead and push the envelope for 12V tools, right? Because hey, I might be on a job site and I've got these kind of fasteners that I have to go ahead and get installed, and I might only have my 12V tool in the car. So if it can't do it, then you're putting yourself in a position that what? Will you drive all the way home? Or do you go to the next earliest convenience store, a home improvement store, and you buy another tool that you don't necessarily need, right? So let's see if these tools can get this done, all right? Milwaukee and DeWalt, all right? In 3, 2, 1, this is all tool, baby, all right? 3, 2, 1, go. But it looks like Milwaukee took that one, boys and girls. You know, I do hope that tools and work is so innovative that we do get females that tune into these live tool reviews, because my wife is my business partner and she loves what she does. So you know what? I'm going to bring her out here real fast and we're going to do a quick head-to-head. Me versus the wife. So, sorry about that, guys. The wife is actually sleeping. So next time, definitely we'll have to get the wife out here, because, yeah, I want her to get in on this action, man. You know? I want the babies to get in on the action on this tool testing. On the tool test action. Hell, even for a long ass, that's a heavy screw. And that fits, that holds it up pretty good. I mean, damn. Not bad, Milwaukee. So, anyways, that was the first test over here from the Milwaukees. Let's see what we got here. Oh, here they're hiding. Let's do some of these fasteners right here. Let's do this test. what we are going to do, folks. We're gonna get down to the nitty-gritty here at DNC Properties. Okay? We don't want to hear excuses. I don't want to hear it. Alright? I don't want to hear it. All I want to see is results. You know what I'm saying? That's it. I just want to see some results, man. Alright, so we got the Dewalt bits. I need a T30. Here we go. And I found myself what I needed for the Dewalt. So here we go. Alright. Again, guys, this is a pretty damn big test for these 12-volt tools. But again, we like to push the envelope here, and we're going to see what these 12-volt tools can do. Alright? In 3, 2, 1, go. Sink that thing like it was nothing. I will say that much. I mean, can the Dewalt just, can it not get it done? Nowhere near as fast. I mean, you saw it right there, folks. The Milwaukee just has that much more power than the Dewalt does. Wow. I'm not even gonna, I mean, it's weird. It's weird because on the lags, it seemed like it was, on timber locks, it seemed like it was a much closer race, alright, and then we jump up to a little bit bigger of a fastener, and then all of a sudden, forget about it, you know? So that's kind of disappointing. Maybe we go with let's try the smaller ones, you know what I mean? Yeah, because I need to know. 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 Can these tools do their finish the test work. Oh, not even the Milwaukee. So I definitely must have hit a knotted area here. Right? Because that definitely that even stumped up in Milwaukee a little bit. So, all right, Dewalt, you get the benefit of the doubt. Only because the Milwaukee couldn't do it either. I don't like this Dewalt. Not a big fan of this Dewalt. Don't use these Dewalt holders for your fucking impacts. This is strictly made for the drill. Tell you that right now. Strictly made for the drill. Alright. Milwaukee is on 2 bars. Dewalt's is on 2 bars. So, we have seen here, they're both pretty warm. I mean, we just put these 2 tools through, I mean, a test that you're probably not going to do. I mean, you know, it's warm. You know, listen. Are you going to be doing stuff like that with a 12-volt tool? Probably not. You know what I mean? But if the task at hand comes down to it and you have no other choice but to go this route, I would like for my tool to be able to do it. You know, I mean, there is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Like, you know, I want my tool to be able to handle the task at hand. Whether it's driving a number 2 screw, okay? Whether it's driving just a simple number 2 screw, or driving some really, really large fasteners. But you guys saw it firsthand. This thing has got some serious freaking power. Okay, I have to say probably on Tool Test Tuesday, it's probably going to beat the Dewalt. So I'm gonna have to definitely, but we're gonna go ahead and test it. We're gonna do some more realistic tests with these tools here. We'll do some wood screws. You know, we're gonna definitely keep it. We'll do some T20 bits or T25s. Yeah, we'll do some T25s, some 3-inch, some 2.5-inch, some wood fasteners. We can definitely do a great variety of different tool tests so we can see what these tools really have to offer, right? So we're gonna do a couple wood screws here. Let's see what this thing really can do. Let's check it out. All right, here we go. All right, guys. We're gonna jump right back into it. We're right back into it. And we're going to time it. We'll do the Milwaukee Gen 2 Impact first. We're going to do 4 3-inch wood screws. 4. Let's see how fast this can do it. Alright. I like to get it staged. You know, why not? We don't got time to be racing the clock here. Alright, ready? In 3, 2, 1, go. Pretty fast. That was pretty quick, man. You know what I have to say? I really like these Milwaukee bits. I really do. I'll tell you what, the only complaint I have on the Milwaukee so far is the batteries they're a little harder to get out, as opposed to like Dewalt's 12-volt traditional slide out pack. Very easy, just like their 20-volt tools. Very nice. All right, next we're gonna jump in here and we're gonna get the Dewalt in on the action. And T25. And let's get the Dewalt in on the action. I'm going to go ahead and put my Milwaukee fuel on my belt clip here. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, and it is on speed 3. Okay, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Close. Pretty freaking close. So let's do a quick head-to-head here. All right. Forward. All right, here we go. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go. Pretty close, guys. But Milwaukee took it. So those were 3-inch screws. Let's do a couple 4 inches. Let's up the ante here. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Gen 2. Milwaukee M12. I mean, guys, this tool is the real deal. I definitely have to tip my hat off to Milwaukee. 100%. I mean, they built a great tool here. It's got a lot of power. I didn't think I was gonna like it because the handle's a little bit bigger in my hand, but I actually, guys, I do love it. It feels great. Ergonomics wise, the Dewalt, I ain't gonna lie, it's a little bit more sexier. Feels a little bit better in the hand. Hold on 2 seconds. Huh? Huh? What do you want? Did you poop your pants? Okay, hold on, I'm coming. Hold on. I don't have any Milwaukee yet, but I do have Makita Gold. So we're gonna try this out. We'll do the Milwaukee first, and then we'll try out the Dewalt. All right. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Very fast. I mean, that was very, very, very fast. Very quick. And, you know, we've come such a long way that, you know, it's nice to use an impact for your drilling task because it's less fatigue, it's less work. It's just as efficient and it works fine. So, I mean, I like the fact that you can use an impact for drill bits now. And they come impact ready. Like, yes, you can use this in a drill, but this is designed for an impact. So people say, oh, well, impacts aren't designed to drill. Yes, they are, because they're making accessories for them, right? So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. No problem. Absolutely no problem whatsoever for both of these 12-volt impacts. They both held up to the half-inch drill bit challenge, which is nice. I might have a couple paddle bits. We could try a couple paddles and see how quickly they I do not have Bosch Daredevil. I use Irwin, and I've had very great success with this kit from Irwin from Lowe's. It does come with 3/8 all the way up to 1.5 inch spattle bits, spade bits, spattle bits, paddle bits, whatever you want to call it. I call it spattle. So I've had these for quite some time, guys, and they're really good. Super sharp still get the job done. And I have not been in need of to have to buy a new set of spade bits. So let's try this bad boy out here though. We're gonna go with a 3/4 paddle bit and we'll see how good we can get her in. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. No problem. No problem there, guys. So that was, I just want to show you guys coming from that way so you could see it come through to make sure that it was able to complete the challenge. Same with the Milwaukee, we'll do the same thing and see if it can make it through to complete the challenge. All right, and 3, 2, 1, here we go. Quarter of the time. It's unbelievable. So, I mean, you guys have seen it here yourself on the channel. The Milwaukee M12 is a force. It's a force to be reckoned with. I have to say that I am so impressed with this tool. I will be expanding my Milwaukee lineup beyond this because of how impressed I was. It's pretty warm, but you have to understand we just put these two tools through some pretty serious tests for a 12-volt tool. Dewalt's on 1 bar, Milwaukee's still on 2 bars on the battery. They both have their pros and cons.
Yeah.
So they both have their pros and cons. Okay? Both are really, really good tools. I like them both. I really do. I like the Dewalt. I like the way it feels. It's lightweight. It feels good. The Milwaukee is lightweight. It feels good. Definitely has a little bit bigger of a handle. So if you don't have nice size hands, this tool probably won't be comfortable for you. So the ergonomics definitely will go to Dewalt. As far as design wise, definitely a lot more comfortable with the Dewalt. Power, M12 fuel is gonna take that battle 100%. So, I mean, there you have it, guys. It's just really a matter of what works best for you, okay? All I do know is that for the value, this is $149 for a combo kit. The Milwaukee's $229. I wish I would have got it when it was $179. Listen, if I would have known how great of a tool combo kit this was at $179 when it was on sale, I'm surprised they didn't sell out of the M12 series because it's such a great tool. So there you had it, guys. It was just a simple, quick review, a nice, cool test on these two 12-volt impacts. Keep in mind, Tool Test Tuesdays right around the corner. few days away. We're going to do the hammer drills, the drills. We're going to do some cool drilling, tests. We got some really good power tests for all 4 of these tools here. From what you can see today, Milwaukee definitely has a step up in the power line. Power line, definitely. LED lights, I like the Dewalt. It's got 3 LED lights as opposed to 1. But, is that a deal breaker for me? No. It just depends if you, to me it's all about money, right? Because, let's be honest, 80 bucks more that's a lot of money to come out of pocket for a set of tools. Not everybody has that extra disposable income to spend an extra $80 because 80 bucks is, you got kids, that's diapers, wipes, that's food, that's almost an insurance payment, that's a lot of extra money. So budget-wise, it has to make sense for you. I do spend all my hard-earned money on tools so I can do these awesome tool reviews for you, but I do want to see that, which tools are good for their value. And then the Dewalt can get the job done, okay? Maybe not as fast, but yes, it can still get the job done, okay? Now, speed isn't important for everybody, okay? Some people are, it's like we're going to be on the job site, we're racing. We're not doing these tool tests on the job site. We are, because we test our tools every day when we're in the field. But what I'm trying to say is that value-wise, this is still a great value for the money for $149. If you have the extra money, the M12 is definitely a more elite line. I'm definitely a Dewalt guy because I own a lot of Dewalt tools, but I think I'm going to have to start maybe pushing towards Milwaukee because I love the power of Milwaukee. It is what it is. So you guys saw it firsthand, the different types of power these tools have to offer. And yeah, we'll see you guys next Tuesday on Tool Test Tuesday, man. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, tap that like button. It's free to tap the like button. And keep helping me grow the channel so we can keep doing these awesome tool reviews for you guys so I can show you which tools have the best value for the money. Okay, so that's important because I want people to understand that even though this is a more powerful tool, this is still a very good value. Okay, and it's about $80 cheaper at Lowe's. You can't get this at Home Depot, you can only get this at Lowe's. Same thing with this, you can only get this at the Home Depot, you can't get this at Lowe's. But if you're in the Dewalt lineup, right, in the 20 volt lineup, this might be your better choice because your chargers are going to charge your 12 volt batteries. Same with the Milwaukee. It just depends what lineup you're in. Okay? So I really appreciate everybody tuning in, watching the channel tonight, watching these great tools, go head to head in some really cool tests. Again, my name is Chris with Longevity, brought to you by our proud sponsor, DNC Properties LLC. And we'll see you next time when it comes down to it. It might be tomorrow, it might be the next day. You'll see me out there. I'm doing reviews. I'm in the field. I'm working. I'm grinding. I take my time out of my long days to do this for everybody so I can show you how great these tools are and what they have to offer for the price and the value of the money. Okay? Again, I want to thank everybody for tuning in. Have a happy Merry Christmas. Christmas is less than 5 days away after tonight. And everybody be safe out there. It's Friday night. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.